And we're seeing some clouds this morning across central Alabama. Very neat picture as we look live from high atop Red Mountain. All right, if you look up in the sky, you're seeing a nice amount of sunshine, but if you look down over the city, you can almost see these rolling waves of clouds. So if you're walking out of your front door and looking up, you're likely seeing the bottom side of these clouds here. 75 is our current temperature in Birmingham, but with the calm wind, the air is very stagnant. Dew points in the lower 70s means it's very muggy out there, and it's going to remain that way. So here's your bus stop forecast as you're getting those kids out the door this morning. Rain to our north, otherwise a muggy start for everyone else. Dropping off this afternoon. Temperatures near 90, heat and humidity on tap, partly sunny sky. Scattered showers are possible, but any rain that we see later today will be relatively short-lived. But I do want to start out with what we're seeing across North Alabama today. As I mentioned, these will be the only spots really impacted directly this morning by any wet weather. Look at Tupelo to Fulton along Interstate 22. If you live in Hamilton, you're very familiar with those communities. Thunderstorm has just parked itself out there, and that's where we start to see some of this just soaking rainfall. But notice it's just a very small area, but we're starting to get a little bit of rain nosing its way into northwest Marion County there. As we move our attention over towards Brooksville, Albertville, and Mountainboro, we're seeing a little bit of light rain there as well. We did see a passing shower in Gadsden. That's now moved out. So I would not be surprised if anywhere, say, north of Smoke Rise, Aniana, Gadsden, we could see a little light rain this morning with those temperatures remaining relatively muggy in the mid-70s. From 71 to Moody and Cleveland to 72 in Johns and 73 in Jasper. Breaking down your day. All right, as far as the morning goes, other than those few cities that I just mentioned seeing the rain right now, everyone else should remain dry. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds through mid-morning, but because of the cloud cover, that's why we're not going to see the big climb or the quick spike in temperatures. Mid-80s as we near our lunch hour, and that will mean that things feel pretty sticky outside as well. But the afternoon comes rain. That's why it's a good idea to download our CBS 42 Storm Track weather app. You can actually track the storms from the palm of your hand. Here's the silver lining in today's wet weather. Looks like that skinny line of thunderstorms is going to be very short-lived. So even though about half of our viewing area will encounter some wet weather later today, again, I don't think it's going to last all afternoon. But just keep an eye to the sky, keep an umbrella nearby, and then those rain chances begin tapering as we head towards the end of the week and into your weekend. And that is a look at your Storm Track 7-day forecast.